Hello everyone, welcome back. And if you are new here, I am Rizza and this is your channel for a productive and sustainable lifestyle. So if you are into productivity, sustainability, and skincare, I upload videos every week, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you will know when a new video is up. So we are currently here at Savoy Hotel Boracay for a business trip. We are attending an e-commerce conference called Ecom Island. Today is just getting to know each other. Pero sa totoo lang, sobrang dami na ng value na nakuha ko from that activity alone. But anyway, so medyo nag-effort ako mag-makeup today. We just got back from dinner. Since naglakad kami by the beach kanina, and I feel so sticky. And yun nga, medyo nag-effort ako sa makeup today. Ayan, meron akong mascara. Although hindi halata, Riz, ano ba yan? Yun, I thought I'd show you guys yung updated nighttime skincare routine ko. And let's go! So first thing I'll do, of course, is to pull up my hair. Yes, I have a fresh haircut. Kakapa-undercut ko lang kagabi before kami umalis for Boracay. So anyway, I'll get that out of the way. Mag-headband muna tayo. Ayan. Favorite ko talaga tong sleep mask na to, supposedly, pero ginagawa ko siyang pang skincare. Anyway, first step is this one. I'm really a fan of double cleansing. The first product I'm using is this Living Cleansing Balm from Then I Met You. If you are a skincare nerd like me, you would really know this brand. It's a Korean brand by Charlotte Cho. And ano siya? Ito yung pang first cleanse mo. Ito yung pang tanggal ng SPF, ng mga makeup, mascara, and stuff. So, it has persimmon, sea berry oil, grapeseed oil, and vitamin E. It looks like this. The consistency is para siyang, if you're familiar with Vanilla Co, looks like that. Yeah, and it also comes with a scooper. Cute. Medyo ka-color siya ng nails ko today. Ay, mag-focus. Yan. And then what's good here is that you don't have to dig in to the product. Ito yung scooper yung gagamitin mo to get something from the product. So, at least sanitary siya. I just use around mga ganito. Yan, mga ganyan lang. And then, I put it on my hand. Yan, ganyan yung itsura niya. Pero kapag ni-rub mo na siya together, yung consistency niya parang oil. Cute-cute ng color niya. Ayan, so, I just use mga ganitong amount. And then, I rub it together. Tapos, magiging parang ganito na siya. Magiging oil siya. Tapos, I'll put it on my face. Actually, kaka-start ko lang gawin to. Kaka-start ko lang gamitin tong product na to. And so far, I'm loving it. It really does the job. Although, hindi naman kasi ako laging nagme-makeup. Pero napapansin ko na mas natatanggal nga siya compared to other cleansing balms. Ano favorite niyang cleansing balm? Comment down below. So, medyo ganyan na yung itsura niya. As you can see, it actually really smells nice. Don't forget your neck. And then, you can rinse this off. And then, after that first cleanse, Actually, gusto ko damp pa yung face ko. As in, kakatanggal, ayan. Kakahugas ko lang talaga. And then, ang pang second cleanse ko ay ito. Ang ating Lana PH Soothe and Hydrate Cleanser. It's a very gentle cleanser. It's unscented. It has oat protein, niacinamide, and vitamin E. And it doesn't lather. It works like a super gentle cleanser. So, it really protects your skin barrier. Yan. Kasi, madalas, if you have that super icky, well, not icky, yung super malinis na feeling sa skin, hindi dapat ganun yung feeling mo eh. Dapat, after you cleanse, you still feel so moisturized. And this is the feeling of Lana PH Soothe and Hydrate Cleanser. Hindi naman sa sobrang bias ko sa product ko, pero you have to try it to know the difference. Don't forget your neck. And then rinse na tayo. And now that we're done cleansing, I just have to pat dry my face. Again, pat lang ng ganyan. Huwag niyong i-rub ng ganun yung towel kasi yun daw ang nakaka-cause ng wrinkles. So, yeah. You really have to be gentle with your face. Now that's done. Toner tayo. Nakita nyo na to, it's beauty water. Although since we are traveling and ayokong dalhin yung ganito kalaking bote, nire-bottle ko na lang siya. Like this. So, it's a serum dropper. And then, I just put it on my hand. Rub it in. And then, pat dry. Pat dry tuloy. Papat ko lang dito sa face ko. And then, I wait for it to absorb. That's if I have a lot of time. Hintayin ko munang matuyo yung skincare sa mukha ko. Pero, most of the time, I just wanna go to bed pag pagod. So, I'm kind of not doing that right now. So, next naman ay ang ating serum. It's called, you already know this, the Lana PH DNA Repair Elixir. This is my ultimate favorite, lalong-lalo na for moisture. So, I just put it. This one has niacinamide, vitamin B3, Centella asiatica. And it's really, really helping with the moisture on my face. And then next naman ay argan oil. Especially now that I am exposed to the sun, I wanna bring back the moisture to my face. I use this as a moisturizer, and also lately since nagpa-bleach ako, ito yung ginagamit ko sa hair para hindi ganun ka-dry yung buhok ko. Again, I just tap it like that. Ang cute-cute ng pajama ko ngayon. This is one of my favorite pajamas. Tera na pa yan because I'm a tita like that. And then after that, yung sobra nilalagay ko sa elbows and my hands. Next naman for my lips is, of course, Lucas Papaw ointment. Alam niyo naman, sobrang dry ng lips ko lagi. So, And last but not the least, sobrang tamad ko maglagay nito, pero it still works. Kahit hindi ko siya everyday nilalagay. It's the Lana PH Lash and Brow Growth Serum. I just only put it at night kasi medyo heavy siya. So, doe foot applicator siya and hindi mascara applicator kasi I am finding myself na napapansin ko na wait lang, dito tayo sa salamin na. Napapansin ko na mas nakakatusok siya ng mata for some reason and hindi siya yung product hindi ko nalalagay talaga sa dito sa roots ng hair. So this one also kinda massages your eyelids and eyebrows. So yan. Let's put it right there. Yan. After that, that's about it. And then I will just give my hair some love with the argan oil. I just put isang ganito. Yan. I'll put everything on my hand. So, para siyang 5 peso in size. 5 pesos in size. So, I actually use it as a hair mask. Medyo malagkit talaga, syempre. Pero, kinabukasan, it feels so soft and moisturized. So there you go. That is my updated nighttime skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!